Okay, guys, today we're just doing a mishmash of things that are spring, a little Easter, a little whatever. Life's just a little crazy. I showed you this quite a while ago. This is a flag banner. As you can see, it looks very lacy, which is very much my thing. I'm sort of into old-fashioned stuff, just saying, guys. But anyway, what my idea here was, and just take these, fold them in half, okay? Put them over the top. So make sure you're lined up which side, whatever side you want, because there is a shiny side and a not a shiny side. So I think I'm going to do it this way, because this is the side I like. You guys pick the side you want. I do believe this was in the bridal section. I am not 100% sure, but I do think it was. It may be meant to be for a bride. Okay, so my thought was, do this, fold in half, fold in half. Make sure you got the right side of your doily showing that you want. Again, I know I've told you guys this before. I do 2 at a time, right side. And then you can do this. Guys, you can take little clips and clip them on. Little white, I have around here. Don't know exactly where at the moment. But I do have little white iridescent clips. They're actually little tiny baby clothespins. But I don't see them. So you could do that. You could also write on these things and put something on there. Like, say this was for a wedding. You know, the bride's name, the groom's name, you know, whatever. The people in the bridal party, whatever. Because I think this is one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 flags here. So there's the other idea. Obviously, you know these Dollar Tree doilies come in a large pack, multiple sizes. You could also pick a different size. And I do think they sell the large ones in just a big single pack at Dollar Tree. So that's another idea for you guys. Again, if you were going to use this for Easter, you know, take your little iridescent letters, put initials on there, you know, Happy Easter on this, because this is all, I wouldn't want to cover this up. It's too pretty. But you could definitely use it on this. And put Happy Easter, put names, put initials, whatever. So yeah, so you could do that and stick that on there. And of course there you go. So yeah, they would fit on there. So now you've officially seen me use these. There's the kit. I don't know if this is just a punch out. Yeah, it is. It's just a punch out. I don't think it's a sticker. No, it's not. There you go. See, that fits a little more nicely on the area. So yeah. So I'm glad I did that while we were on camera. And guys, because these are some other things I wanted to show you guys, and I almost forgot. Here you go with this. Is also with the idea of putting it in between. They have the little white flowers you could stick on there. They have these you could stick on there. Your colors in between. They have butterflies you could stick on there along with your initials, Happy Easter, what. Also, I had taken these off of another wreath I had made that you could go in between these on the banner as well. And it just says welcome, right? Oh, wait a minute. I think this is an M. Yeah. So we got to have the eggs upright. And you could do these in between. Like I said, I just took them off of. These are from a Dollar Tree wreath. They're not from a Dollar Tree wreath. They're actually from a Dollar Tree sign that hangs. That, you know, vertically, and to each other, and I just cut them all apart. So that's an idea to hang with your banner, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, there's 10 of them. I have some of these. So, and we only got 6. Because I was going to do, y'all have seen 5 of these plates. There's 6 here. Okay. That would make a flower. But you could take the bags and hang these, because I just love these bags from there. Okay. From the banner as well. Okay. And in between, right? Hang the bags. Cut little bunny ears. Cut them out. Okay. You could get the little stickers. They sell, like, you could use these to make little face and cheeks and pom-poms, or these guys. But I'm just going to show you, because I did this last year, and I am here to tell you everybody loved this. It just was a different bag that I did it with this year. This year's bags are a lot prettier. Okay. And then just giving yourself little head in between. You could do this with it as well. These come to, I believe it's 2 to a pack. Yeah, it is 2 to a pack. Put that in the bag part in between, right? So you don't see the plastic, but this can hang over. You don't see the sticker. And stick it in there. And there you go. Make a little bunny face. Because I do have little pom-poms that they sell to make little bunnies out of. But nonetheless, you could use pom-poms and put a little tail on there. You could make a little face. I know I have these. I think I showed you guys all the bits to make a face. You could do that on here. You could put the pink sections in the middle. All kinds of cute little ideas with these and this. And also you could take these pom-poms and just glue them in between and do your varying colors. Next video, I'm really trying extremely hard to use up some of my stuff that I have been putting on shorts and not doing anything with. Because it's just been too crazy for me to be in the shop. But anyway, hope you like these ideas. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Any ideas you would like to see coming up? Any ideas that you have yourself that you would like to share and me to do a take on it? Please feel free to comment down below. And I will see you on my next video.